Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 best treadmill lubricants you can buy in 2025. Whether you've just bought a new treadmill or you're trying to keep your trusty machine running smoothly, the right lubricant can make a world of difference. I've spent countless hours researching, testing, and comparing these products to bring you the ultimate list. We'll be ranking these based on ease of use, effectiveness, design, and price. If you want to check out more details or updated prices, all the links are in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews. All right, let's jump into it. At number 5, we have the Lube 100% Silicone Treadmill Lubricant. This is your budget-friendly option, coming in at just $6.99. Despite its low price, it doesn't skimp on essential features. The lubricant is non-toxic and odorless, and it's designed to minimize friction between your treadmill belt and deck, which helps reduce wear and tear. It even comes with an applicator tube and 5 cleaning cloths, making it a great starter option. In terms of design and build, the Lube comes in a 4-ounce bottle with an easy-to-use applicator. The included extension tube makes it relatively simple to apply the lubricant without having to loosen your treadmill's belt. However, the quality of the tube isn't as robust as higher-end options, which means you might have to be extra careful during application. Performance-wise, this lubricant does the job, but doesn't stand out. It's great for occasional home treadmill users who want a quick and affordable solution. However, it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty or commercial use, as the lubricant tends to wear off quicker than premium options. Overall, the Lube is perfect for those on a tight budget, but you might find yourself upgrading sooner rather than later. Pros: affordable, includes cleaning cloths, non-toxic. Cons: less durable, applicator tube quality could be improved. Coming in at number 4 is the CC Treadmill Belt Lubricant, priced at $8.99. This mid-range option features high-temperature stability, making it a durable choice for those who use their treadmill more frequently. It's designed to reduce friction and noise, ultimately extending the life of your treadmill's belt and motor. The design is quite user-friendly, with a precision twist cap and a stainless steel extension tube for easy application. What's more, you don't need to loosen the belt to apply the lubricant, which is a big plus for those who want a hassle-free maintenance process. The lubricant also claims to work well with both home and commercial gym treadmills, making it versatile. During testing, this product delivered a quieter and smoother treadmill operation, though it wasn't quite as effortless to apply as some higher-ranked options. The stainless steel tube is a nice touch, but the lubricant itself feels slightly thinner compared to premium competitors. That said, for under $9, it's a solid choice for home users who want something reliable without breaking the bank. Pros: high temperature resistant, versatile, easy application. Cons: slightly thinner consistency, not ideal for heavy-duty use. At number 3, we have the Silicone Silicone Treadmill Belt Lubricant, which combines affordability with a well-thought-out design. At $8.79, this product comes with a patented applicator tube that is long and hard, making it easier to reach under the belt without loosening it. Plus, it includes a replacement tube, a precision screw cap, and 2 oil absorption cloths for extra convenience. This lubricant stands out for its consistency and ease of application. The adjustable 10-inch tube is especially handy for broader treadmill belts, and the option to switch to a precision screw cap for manual application adds versatility. It's also colorless and odorless, making it suitable for home use without any mess or strong smells. In terms of performance, the Silicone does an excellent job of reducing noise and friction, and it's stable even under higher temperatures. It's a fantastic mid-tier option for regular treadmill users. However, while the product is effective, it doesn't quite reach the premium feel or long-lasting durability of the top 2 contenders on our list. Pros: excellent applicator design, versatile, includes additional accessories. Cons: not as long-lasting as premium options, best suited for home use. In the number 2 spot, we have the Life Treadmill Belt Lubricant, which is our premium pick at $13.95. This USA-made lubricant is 100% silicone and boasts a no-odor, no-propellant formula, making it a top choice for anyone sensitive to chemical smells. It comes with an applicator tube that ensures full-width lubrication with controlled flow, making maintenance a breeze. The design here is sleek and functional. The applicator tube is well-built and distributes the lubricant evenly across the treadmill belt without the need to loosen it. The consistency of the lubricant is perfect, not too thick and not too thin, which ensures smooth operation and long-lasting protection for your treadmill. When it comes to performance, the Noosa Life lubricant truly shines. It's ideal for home users and commercial gym owners alike, offering reduced friction, quieter operation, and extended equipment longevity. While the higher price might deter some buyers, the superior quality and ease of use justify the cost for those looking for a no-compromise solution. Pros: premium quality, no odor, controlled flow applicator. Cons: higher price point, not ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Finally, at the #1 spot, we have the spot-on premium treadmill belt lubricant. At $9.95, this product strikes the perfect balance between affordability and premium features. Made in the USA, it boasts a patented 8-inch applicator tube that allows for precise, mess-free lubrication of full-width treadmill belts without the need to loosen them. The build quality is exceptional. The applicator tube is crush-resistant and designed specifically to work seamlessly with the lubricant's viscosity. The precision twist cap is another thoughtful addition, giving users even more control. Its non-toxic and odorless formula works well on all types of treadmills, including heavy-duty and commercial models. In terms of performance, the spot-on lubricant is unbeatable. It reduces noise, prevents belt hesitation, and extends the life of your treadmill belt and motor. With approximately 4 applications per bottle, it offers great value for its price and ensures your treadmill stays in top shape for a whole year. For its combination of quality, usability, and price, it's no surprise that this lubricant takes the crown. Pros: patented applicator, excellent performance, great value. Cons: none that stand out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect treadmill lubricant for your needs. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Have any questions or thoughts about these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy running.